There's a lot going on in this episode. All of this, plus caterpillars and cats. Stay tuned. Why have one YouTube channel when you can have two? You all know me for talking to animals, but some of you know that I'm also converting an old stone barn in rural France into a home with my husband. My original YouTube channel was created when I taught tarot card reading. So for the first few years of my channel's existence, YouTube knew I was a tarot card teacher. Then I started to put some animal communication videos up there. And then I was invited on some other channels to do lives about tarot. And then I started pulling together all my renovation videos from the last 9 years and put them up on YouTube so that it was somewhere where they could be seen and I could point all the followers to. So imagine for a moment the YouTube algorithm. Colleen Kersey, great tarot teacher. Fabulous. Let's push her out into the tarot card reading niche. Oh, there's one about animal communication. Okay. All right. Well, we'll push that one out, but she's still doing tarot, so okay, good. Okay, so it's predominantly, oh no, there's another animal. Oh, now there's one about a barn renovate. Okay, so barn renovation, animal communication, tarot. Okay, so which audience do we now put? Oh, there's another one that's just come through about cats. Okay, well, cats can maybe be grouped in with the animal communication, but let's carry on pushing the barn renovation there and the tarot. He has one about living in the rural countryside. Does that go with the barn renovation? You see where I'm going with this, right? So I did what any self-respecting business owner would do, and I started up a brand new channel purely for my animal communication. I'm in the process of now moving across the videos from my original channel, my original confused algorithm channel, across to the new channel. So here's the summary. On the left is Colleen Kersey Animal Comms, which is everything to do with animal communication and animal mediumship. And on the right is Whispers from the Countryside, which is everything to do with our stone barn conversion and living in the rural French countryside with our cats. So now you can subscribe to whichever one you fancy, or you could subscribe to both.
Okay. Thanks for that.
I know I said that we hoped to have some plaster on the walls in the living room by this episode, but John's been so busy getting up to date on his gardening clients and installing the patio doors that he hasn't yet started. So this is what the living room looks like now, and hopefully next episode you'll see some plaster.
There's quite a few of them around.
This is a tiny apple. We have a group of yuccas over here, maybe 10 or 12 of them. And this one in the front, oops, looks like it's trying to flower. So that's a bit exciting. I'll keep you posted on that. Oh, and there's a new one coming through. Ow, I just poked my leg. Ow. There's another one coming through there now. So they look like they're flowering again. Ooh, that's exciting. Nala. 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 Well, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Stand by for the bloopers, and we'll see you next episode. Bye. Welcome to episode 8 of Whispers in the Countryside. This week we've got... No. Welcome to episode 8. And